Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Info Roshan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the virtual internship opportunity provided by the Tata Group company. And friend, you can see here the internship topic is the data analytics. And friend, data analytics is a very demanding field and it is a very good opportunity for you guys to complete the internship from the Tata Group company and get the certificates. So you can see here this type of certificate you will get. You can see here the internship topic will be changed here and the course model will be changed here, but you will get the similar certificates. And anyone can apply for this internship opportunity, whether you are the college going students, working professionals, or the freshers, or from the any country. So you can see here we are at the official page of the forage who is providing this Tata Data Analytics internship opportunity. So you can see here this internship is published new on the forage website. You can see here, and you have the question in mind that why you need to join this internship. So you can see here Tata Insights and Quants, which also known as the Tata IQ, is the Tata Group Advanced Analytics and AI Center for Excellence. Tata IQ partners with the companies across the group to turn data into competitive advantage by enabling smarter data informed decision and making. And you can see here during this program, you will step into the role of an AI transformation consultant and complete tasks that replicate the work this role does every day. You will learn the various types of skills like predictive modeling using GenAI tools, then data exploration and quality assessment, then how to tell the business storytelling, then recommendation design, and designing AI driven system for fair and responsible automation. So this type of things you will learn here. And the various skills like you can see EDA, that is a exploratory data analysis, Gen AI data insights, then you can see analytical reporting, predictive modeling, then model justification, business communication, and ethical reasoning. So this type of things you will learn here. So let's have a look of some models which you have to complete here. So, friend, basically in this internship, you will be provided in a situation from where you will act as a AI consultant and you have to solve the problems here. So, you can see the task one is given, that is exploratory data analysis and risk profiling. So, what you will learn here, so you can see how to conduct EDA, then techniques to handle missing values and ensure data quality, then understanding customer risk factors and how to leverage it. Then you can see what you have to do. You have to identify key data sets, then perform an exploratory analysis and document your findings. You can read it in detail. I will provide the link in the video description box. So in the task 2, you can see predicting the delinquency with AI. So you can see you will learn how to leverage GenAI for predictive modeling without coding. Then common techniques for credit risk modeling like decision trees, logistic regression, neural networks. Then evaluate model performance. Then how to utilize GenAI tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini to generate model code and refine prediction. Then you will use the GenAI tools to generate model logic for predicting customer delinquency. And then this task 3, you can see, friend, you have to do the business reports and data storytelling for collection of strategy. So you have to translate predictive insights into actionable business recommendation. Then best practices for presenting AI driven insights, then consideration for ethical AI, bias and explainability and responsible decision making. So what you have to do, you have to prepare a two-page summary report for the head of collection to share with their team, emphasizing key risk factor, then delinquency, trends, and recommend intervention strategies. And you will develop a structured recommendation framework, and you will discuss ethical considerations such as responsible AI for financial decision making. So, friend, it is the combination of the data analysis as well as the AI is how you will integrate AI in the data analysis. So in the model 4, you can see that is implementing AI driven collection strategy. So how to design AI powered autonomous debt management system, role of agent AI, then strategies and how you will align. with your industry. And for that, you have to design a presentation outlining a framework for AI powered corrections. Then you have to identify guardrails to prevent unfair or biased decision making and discuss how agentic AI can continuously adapt to change. So this type of things you have to do. And for getting the certificate, friend, you have to first complete this online internship, which consists of the pre-recorded videos and the situational based task which you have to do, and you have to upload it. Once you upload, then you will get the certificates. So before going to check how you will use it or how you have to register, if you are not subscribed our channel Inforoson yet, please subscribe. We are making the P certification courses, jobs and internship notification and technology related videos. So please subscribe in Inforoson. So then once you get the certificate, so you can upload in your LinkedIn profile as well as the in your you can mention in your resume so that your application becomes stronger, and also you will get the knowledge here. So for the registration purposes, I will provided the link in the video description box. Once you open, then you will come to this page and you can learn in detail about this internship. Then you can register. So on the top, you can see start free program is given. You have to simply click on that, and then this window will come here. So if you already registered on Forest, you can directly log in. If not, then you have to click on the sign in, and you have to enter your email address. Then you will get the OTP. You have to verify it, your email ID. Then you have to provide your name and some educational details, and then you will register in this internship, and you can complete and get the certificates. And if you have any query or if you have any suggestion, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friends, please subscribe Info Roshan. Thank you.